Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're gonna be doing two color, what do you call it? Vinyl, layering vinyl, two colors. Don't go anywhere. So anyways, I'm gonna make this shirt with, never fails, never fails. Hello?
Hey, weirdo.
I'm trying to make a video, but you won't let me.
Are you busy right now?
No, I was just making a video. Right beats. Every time I'm making a video, he always has to call me. Hater, he always wants to be in my videos. Whatever. So anyways, I'm gonna make a quick video on, where was I at? Yeah, layering vinyl. And I know some of you are gonna be like, Juan, you don't make quick videos. Well, you know what? This time I am, I think. Anyways, I have another channel that is called Vinyl Nation, and I should be making this video on that channel. I haven't done anything on that channel for like 3 years. Anyways, we're gonna make a video, I already said that. But we're gonna be layering vinyl, and I'm gonna show you the best way, or the correct, maybe not correct, proper? No, I'm gonna show you another way. I'm not saying that I do my stuff better, or that this is the way that you should do it. I'm just gonna show you another way of how to layer vinyl to have the best results. There you go. To have better results. That's even better. Let me get to layering this vinyl, because otherwise we're gonna be here for a while and this video ain't gonna be short. Okay, so before I bring it over to the heat press, let me show you the way that I do whenever I have to layer vinyl. So this is all the things I gotta do. I gotta do 28 shirts. As you guys know, some of you, those of you that follow me know that I don't do screen printing anymore. But this customer, they were very adamant. They really wanted me to make their shirts. So they brought me this, and I was like, dude, I can only do it in vinyl. They're like, that's exactly what we want. I said, okay, so we'll do it. So this is what I do when I do my layering vinyl. I will knock out the center. If you notice, there's gonna be that horse, right? So normally, we will just cut the contour or the outline and leave everything intact. Me, I like to cut the inside out. That way my orange vinyl will actually adhere to the shirt, not on top of the vinyl. Because if you do that and then you layer vinyl, not all vinyl can be layered. So make sure that whenever you're using a certain type of vinyl, make sure that that vinyl can be layered. Sometimes it cannot. So this is what I do. If you notice, I knock out everything inside of the fonts or the graphics, except for this little bitty one, because the letters are so small that one I just left it alone right there. So this is what I would do. I will weed out everything inside. That way, again, the second layer will adhere to the actual garment and not the vinyl itself. Now let me bring you over to the press so you guys can see the way that I do it. So now that we're at the press, we're gonna grab our garment, and the press that I'm using is a G09 K20S, and this press has what is called a pre-press. So meaning that when I bring this down, I'm gonna press it for 2 seconds, and the press will go off, and then I'm gonna actually do the actual press, and the actual press is gonna be 12 seconds. And if you guys don't have a press that has a setting that can do the pre-press, don't worry, just bring the press down, press it for 2 seconds, and you'll be good. And what I mean by 2 seconds, I mean the first layer. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And I'm gonna be using this jig right here, so everything is nice and straight. Just like so. This shirt, I can see the center of the shirt already on it. If you can't find the center, either fold the shirt in half and pre-press it. That way you create that crease. Or if you happen to have this jig right here, If you guys want to pick one of these up, I sell them on my Etsy store. You can bring down, you can put this T in here, and that'll give you the actual center, and that way you'll be dead center with your artwork. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a crease on the bottom, on the top and the bottom, so that way I know that I'm dead center. And this one right here, I'm going to have it 2 inches from the top, and it just so happens that my jig from the collar, or the steam from this collar right here to the bottom, that's 2 inches. So once I place my jig right there, all I gotta do is bring my artwork up to the bottom of that, and I'm already at 2 inches. And I know I'm nice and straight because we put that ruler in place. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it for 2 seconds. That's what we call a pre-press. If you wanna pre-press your shirt, go ahead, pre-press your shirt, you can do that. But whenever you're layering vinyl, you don't wanna heat this first layer all the way. Like say for example, the 12, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever it is you guys are pressing for, you don't wanna do that on the first layer. You only wanna do it like 2 or 3 seconds. And that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna press for 2 seconds. There you go. So this, what I'm using right now is Caesar Easy Weed, and Caesar Easy Weed will adhere in 1 second. I did 2 seconds just, just to be on the safe side. So that was 2 seconds. We remove the carrier on the first layer. Make sure you don't move anything, because you can stretch the garment, and then your second layer will not match. And then you're gonna grab your second layer, place it on top of the other one, and this will be easier. This will be a lot easier because you already have the contour. And this is what I mean, don't stretch it, don't do anything, because then you're gonna have problems aligning everything. So as I do have a little one right here, so I'm just gonna pull this just like so. So now my press is ready to go at 12 seconds, but I don't want to fully press this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press it for 2 seconds again, and remove the carrier. So I'm just gonna bring this down so I can go back to the pre-press. There you go, I'm at the pre-press. That's 2 seconds. And we're gonna remove the carrier, just like so. Remove the carrier on both of them. Once you have the carrier removed on both of them, now you can press the actual 12 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever, or how long you guys are gonna be pressing this for. And I'm talking about your vinyl. In this case, I'm using Caesar Easy Weed. This one here is in 12 seconds. So now we're gonna do the actual 12 seconds. And that's it, our 12 seconds are up. And as usual, that usually sticks to the, to the Teflon sheet. And that's it. That's how you layer vinyl, and you won't have a bulky layer or stack of vinyl. Now you know that this is actually grabbing onto the actual garment and not the white one itself, because sometimes that can fail because the top layer will shrink a little bit and it can actually come off. That's how you layer vinyl. That's how we layer vinyl. And that way we don't have, like I said, a bulky layer. So that's it, guys. This is it for this video. Like I said, it was going to be a quick video on how to layer vinyl. So there you go. Hope you liked this video, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Guys, if you don't have one of these jigs, go to my Etsy store on the comments below, not on the comments, on the description below. There's a link to my Etsy store and you can grab one of these. It has this, the ruler, and some other stuff like for toddlers and youth. So thank you, guys. It was a pleasure like always. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. See you later. God bless you.